You're on the Jaw Media YouTube channel, and this is me. We are currently, why do I always say we? Because it's me and my camera and my computer. We're driving down the road. You're attached to my dashboard. I'm not even looking at you. I've got my sunglasses on, so you can't really tell, but I'm got my eyes on the road, and I'm talking to YouTube. Anyway, we are on our way to our local Best Buy to pick up. I got a big chow in. I had to hold on to pick up our new graphics card, my new graphics card, the new graphics card, not ours, not we. I, me, you, and the computer and the camera. Anyway, since the RTX 3080 released or launched, or whatever you want to call it, all the bots bought them, all the reviewers got versions of, or got their Founders Editions and stuff, but the 2000 series cards went in price. I bought a 2060 4 months ago, and I paid like $320 for it, or $350, and it's just a standard base model gigabyte RTX 2060 6 gigabyte, and it's a fantastic card. But when I'm trying to crank Red Dead Redemption 2 up, it runs out of VRAM. Video memory, it fills up like so fast. So I've got a RTX 2070 Super Founders Edition, and I only pay brand new, and I paid what, $400? That's $399. Anyway, yeah, 2 months ago that was like a $650 card, and I knew there was no way I'm gonna get my hands on a 3000 series card. Although I'd love to review them for manufacturers out there. If you somehow come across this, I would love to start reviewing hardware. I'm not a Gamers Nexus or a Linus, but my strategy would be the common consumer review, the guy that doesn't really know much review, and what to look for my level of experience, and just a regular gamer that, or maybe not even a gamer, maybe somebody that just gets on and plays every once in a while. That's kind of what I could do. It's like, this is what I paid for it, and I worked hard for that money, and this is what you're getting, and in my opinion, is it worth it or not? Or should you go with something a little lower end? Anyway, I'm getting off on a tangent there. There's already 447 billion videos on YouTube of people reviewing the 2070s and the 2080s, all the 2000 series cards. They've been well covered. So I'm going to throw my hat in the ring. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to show it to you, and we're going to see what we think. So I'll be back in a minute after we commandeer our graphics card, the graphics card, and we'll unbox it and take a look at it, see what we think. GeForce RTX 2070 Super. This is the Founders Edition. Ready? This is a big deal for a guy like me. Remember, I started off on a GT 1030. Here we go. Oh, there she is. There she is. Oh my God. This thing weighs a ton. It's made out of like metal. It's so shiny. So I guess we'll peel this wrap off here. Put her in the computer. Get some updated drivers on it. And see what this thing thinks of Red Dead Redemption 2 cranked up in 1080p. Just throw that down. Oh, it's got another little pull tab. Ready? Oh yeah. Look at it. Look at that. You can see me and my camera. Based on what I can tell, this thing is awesome, build quality wise. It just looks great. It feels solid. It weighs, I swear, I think it weighs 5 pounds. We've got some new decorations for the soon office that we're gonna build. So I'm not in the bedroom no more. All right, let's take this side panel off. There we go. Plug this, and we'll unplug that. Unscrew these. My monitor came on. It's like, what'd you do? If you notice, I'm not using my drill to do this. It's a little different when you spend money as opposed to having old junk. It makes you not want to use drills on your computer hardware. There it is. This little thing's puny. Plasticky. Dirty. Well, she ain't too dirty. Now let's put this big freaking heavy bastard in here. Hopefully it fits. Come on, sweet thing. Daggone, that thing is heavy. Don't shake hand. Just be steady. Yeah. We'll thread that one in there. Snug her down. Oh, excuse me. And that one too. How in the world do you plug all that stuff in? Really? Is that upside down? Oh, excuse me. Got it. And hit the go button. That was kind of freaky. She's on. And it's displaying on the screen. I guess it worked. I'll just put this 2060 away for now. Probably wind up selling that. Well, anyway, there you have it. That was the massively professional install of our new GeForce RTX 2070 Super Founders Edition, which, from the way I understand it, is pretty much just a 2080. We'll play around on the computer for a little bit, and I'll see what it does. But you can see my my little new M.2 in there, my 32 gigabytes of RGB RAM, and our Cooler Master keeping our 3800X nice and chill. For a guy that's not really into gaming, I think I've got too much computer. I'll be back with some more for the video, and stay tuned.